In this video, I'm going to show you a feature of SolidWorks which you can use to improve your experience, particularly when you've started generating larger models with enormous amounts of sketches and features in them. Over in this feature history here, there's a history of everything you've done in your model that you've been building. By clicking that little fly out arrow next to a feature, you will see what sketches or other features are related to that feature. Now the names of these can be changed. For sketch 1 here, we may want to call that was the base sketch. And with boss extrude 1, so you click once, then click again, and let's say this was the hand grip of something. We can go ahead and we can rename that to hand grip, and then click away. It can get very difficult in a large SolidWorks model if all of your features are just named, extrude boss 1, extrude boss 2, right up to, you might have hundreds of these things. Taking the time to rename your features as you go through and develop them is a great way of assuring that you'll find it easy to edit your models if you come back to them in 3 or 6 months' time. Really, it's a very similar thought process to commenting your code if you are writing your own code. So that's enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to talking with you next time.